YouTube, what is going on? Today we got some motocross gentlemen out here tackling the hills of North Slope out here in Olympia. Picked up a mountain bike a couple weeks ago, trail bike, you know. See how this goes. But yeah, we got 4 of us: Andrew, Drew, and Brandon. And I think we're gonna be in for a wild ride here.
Holy!
First time on some proper downhill. They're right now, I'm shuttling for them. They're on their first run. But I'll see you on the GoPro. How's the traction?
Horrible.
Nice.
It's fucking slick as fuck.
That's
right,
good.
You ready for this shit? Hold up.
Scoby. Woo! Wet and wild. Holy shit. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, that's gnarly in the wet. Where you going, guy?
Keep getting fucked up.
Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, you got plastic pedals?
Yeah.
Damn,
it's my fucking
son.
13-year-old brother's bike. I don't want to lead because I fucking hold you up.
Well, oh, I'm not going fast than you. I'm just trying to keep up, bud.
Andrew. Can you lead? Yeah. I'll leave behind you guys.
Mr. Blackmore. Jumps, pedal, flat, pump. Oh! Drop! Slide! Oh shit! Almost endoed. Bud's got no rear brake. Struggling to stay alive here. Oh, fat case. Oh. Nice. Woo. Pump, pump. Smells like brakes.
What?
Them brakes are getting a real good bed in, eh?
Yeah. On the truck and the bikes.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I can feel my rear brake starts to get deeper and deeper the longer I go down the trail, to the point where I gotta like move my hands out so I'm not hitting my knuckles.
You got the adjustable bite knob or no?
I think an Allen.
Tender fucking hard.
We'll go medium this time.
There you go, fast as fuck.
Then we'll tell you in.
Alright,
Ooh, it's dark. Oh yeah. Woo. What a beautiful day.
my speed.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I like that shit.
Oh, almost just flew off that berm. Oh yeah. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh, that's a booter. Damn, you need a lot of speed for that.
You good?
Yeah, we good. Just decided to put my front wheel.
You were flying, weren't you? Alright, I love this girl.
Just a minor miscalculation.
Look at that. Nothing.
Just fucking got little road rash.
Can't go down that. Yeah, jump fucking far.
Should we hit this or what?
I'm not. Fuck that. You have to hit the tree.
We just gotta swerve, eh?
That's all you.
Am I clear? Woo! Honestly, it's not that bad. You want to hit it? It was honestly pretty smooth.
Looks smooth.
It's honestly not that bad.
Oh.
You sure?
I'm good.
All right, you lead the way.
This is where we got lost at.
Yeah, I think just try to stay right. Oh shit! Oh. Hey. Oh. My arms are beat. Oh, nice. Nature.
What did he pay for the track?
What?
What did he pay for his bike?
About 1,000.
What'd you pay for yours? 900?
Yeah, but like to get everything dialed, I'm probably 1,100 in. Andrew's probably 1,400 in.
Is it a large or a medium?
Mine's a medium, but
You have a 29 though, eh?
yeah, dual 29.
Yeah. These are dual 27.5s.
Ideally, I want to get a large frame that's a mullet.
Do you know what that means?
No.
I didn't either.
Fuck's a mullet.
29 in front and 27.5
Oh.
in the back.
Yeah, I've seen people do that. That's what they do now. Especially on downhill bikes.
Well, I mean, it's the same feel as like a motocross bike.
Stable steering, but playful in the
Like
back.
he's just running down it.
Andrew!
Holy shit!
He's getting shot at. He's probably taking fire.
It'll be a freeze. Okay!
This is gonna be soft.
It's not gonna be bad.
Dude, we're just gonna cruise it.
Guys, your cruise is different than my cruise. On
It's
this.
just a mountain, bro.
Drew, you fucking lead.
How's it look?
No way.
Sounded like you went way over yonder.
See, my fakey game's still on point.
Goes down and then it comes back. Can it switch back again?
Oh. Alright.
We're gonna go up this.
There's like a 6-foot drop. Oh, here.
Alright, ladies and gents, we are currently scouting Lowkey, a double black trail. Is Drew coming? All right, here's the drop.
Holy fuck you! That bitch is far.
Yeah, it's pretty big, eh?
Eh? You fucking Canada?
That's pretty big.
That is really big.
Do we hit it? Well, I mean, you got quite a bit good run out.
But look at that though. That's fucking far down there. I'd bottom out. That fucking hurt my ankle. You're for sure bottoming out. Dude, look at that.
Well, I mean, how big of a step up is this from the other one? Way more of a pitch.
Yo, you have a 2-foot gap there to hit. In the lane.
Yeah, but you got a wide open run out.
Oh, look at that grip on each side. Yeah.
You're probably gonna land down there. No way you're landing right here.
I land right here.
I'll film it.
It's the honey hole.
Are you thinking about doing it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it.
I think you should. I'm not doing that. Hell no. Fucking right gonna snap in half.
I'm gonna do a couple run-ups. Actually, I don't even know if it's run-upable. I think you just gotta do it.
Please don't hurt yourself.
Good luck.
This could end very badly.
Why do you say that?
Hey, I got faith.
See,
in you.
this is my brain.
Look at the last one. You fucking nailed it.
Don't worry, I can give you CPR.
You nailed the last one. You're set.
I got suspension, don't I, guy?
You bottom out though. Look at it.
You got hella suspension.
Don't go too fast off. Don't you pull up the front, you're shit.
I feel like if you go too fast, it's worse than going.
Hey, can you shut the fuck up, guys?
I know what I'm doing.
Really off the floor. Hey, backflip.
Pull up.
Backflip.
Is he filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Aren't you kind of in the trail, eh?
Hey.
Come on, man.
Hey, buddy.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Log down.
Hey guys, there's a log there. Yeah. It wasn't bad. I kind of got off it before it. Look at this. Trail maintenance. Woo! Holy sh... Oh, I see why it's a double black, eh?
Why?
That section was rough. Oh, case.
That's a sender.